Hello friends, welcome to Celebrating Life. Today we are preparing Sihi Kadbu. It is a sweet made on Ganesh Chaturthi. Now I'll show you the ingredients required. I have taken 2 cups of rice flour, half a cup of sesame seeds or til, roasted chana dal 1 cup, 1 heaped cup of jaggery. You can take extra if you want extra sweetness, but this will be sufficient. Half a cup of fresh coconut grated, 5 pods of elaichi and 1 or 2 spoons of ghee. Okay, now let's start with the process. To make the inner filling, I have taken 1 cup of roasted chana dal. Now let's roast the chana dal. If you roast it for 2 minutes, that will be sufficient. There is no need to brown it. I roasted it for exactly 2 minutes. This is done. Now I'll take it out into a plate so that it cools down. Into the same pan, I'm adding the sesame seeds. And I'm roasting it. Just keep stirring it gently. I hope you can see that they're already crackling and popping up. This takes less than 1 minute to get roasted. Don't brown this as well. We just need to roast them. This is crackling pretty well. Now I'll put off the flame and take it out into a plate so that it gets cooled down. Yeah, now the sesame seeds and the chana dal have cooled down. Now I'm adding a small batch of it into a blender jar. I will add elaichi pods into it and some quantity of jaggery. Okay, now I'll be taking small batches of these 3, that is sesame seeds, roasted chana dal and jaggery, and blend them into a fine powder. Yeah, now this is done. I've made it into a fine powder. I'm transferring it into a bowl. Now let us grind the next batch. Okay, now I'm transferring the second batch. If you blend it in batches, it will get mixed very well and you can have a very nice fine powder. I'm adding jaggery now. This will be done in 3 batches. So now I'll blend it. I've ground it very well. This is the second batch. Now I'll do the same thing for the third batch as well. Friends, our powder is ready. This is called sweet gun powder. You can make this and store it for up to 1 month. And when you are making kadbu, you'll have to add freshly grated coconut. Now I'm adding it. It is about half a cup. Now give it a good mix. Now our filling is ready. Let's keep it aside and we'll make the outer layer that is made out of rice flour. Friends, into a big bowl, I have taken 2 glasses of water, about 400 ml. The ratio for rice flour is to water should be 2:1. That is 2 times water and 1 portion of rice flour. Now let it come to a good boil. Water has come to a very good boiling. It should be piping hot. At this stage I'm adding 1 spoon of ghee into the water. Now it's time for us to add the rice flour. Okay, don't add the whole rice flour at once. Add it little by little and continue to stir it. There should not be any lumps. Okay, and I'm stirring with a mudde kolu. This is what we use to make ragi balls in Bangalore. If you don't have it, you can always use a spatula. Okay friends, this is the most important process. You need to mix it very well so that there are no lumps. We will not be steaming this sihi kadbu. There are different versions of this recipe. Different households make their own way. So in our house, we make it without steaming. So it becomes essential for us to mix this rice flour very well. You will have to continuously stir it until it becomes a soft but firm flour. It will be like a dough. Now I will show you. You can see, if you touch it, it should not stick to your fingers and it should be very soft. See how non-sticky it is. This is the correct consistency. Now let us mix it for 2 more minutes. If you mix it very well, it comes out to be a single lump. Very soft but yet non-sticky. If you just roll it, it should come out into a smooth ball. Now let's turn off the stove. Onto a chopping board or the slab, apply few drops of water. Now I am transferring the dough onto the rolling pan. Friends, now dip your hands in water and make it into a pliable dough. I am making 2 balls with the dough. You will have to do this when it is hot itself. Yeah. Now the ball is ready. I'm doing it with the second one. Don't forget to dip your hand in the water because it is quite hot. Now this is also done. You'll have to cover it with a plate so that it doesn't get cool. Friends, this is the mold used to make kadbu. Now I will grease it with ghee. I have taken few drops of ghee and I am smearing it well on this. This is a very healthy sweet. All the ingredients used in this are quite good for health. This is done. I am showing you a very easy process to make kadbu. I have taken a presser. If you don't have it, you can use it. You can make it using a rolling pin, or you can roll them with your hands as well. I am taking a very small portion of the rice flour dough which we had used. Now I'll close it and give it a very gentle press. It should not be very thick. Now I've made it into a thin sheet. Now I'm taking it and transferring it onto the mold. I'm adding the filling into the mold and just give it a gentle press. Remove the extra rice flour. You can reuse it for the next kadbu. Now gently open it. Yeah, now our kadbu is ready. Friends, our very soft, delicious Sihi Kadbu is ready. This is the main offering for Lord Ganesha during Ganesh Chaturthi in Karnataka. If you have liked the recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Thank you.